The sweet, cold rush of organic ice cream made in America is a treat that's hard to beat. From the sunny streets of Miami Beach to your local grocery stores, it's a delight that's within reach. Among the cream of the crop, Ben & Jerry's stands out. Their commitment to organic ingredients has won them a devout following. Next up, Three Twins Ice Cream. Their delicious flavors are a testament to their dedication to organic produce. Who can forget about Strauss Family Creamery? Their organic ice cream is the stuff of legends. Now let's not overlook Alden's organic ice cream. This company's dedication to organic farming is literally the cherry on top of their luscious ice cream scoops. If you're intrigued and want to delve deeper into the world of organic ice cream, get in touch with YouTube Organic. They're just a click away. No need to wait. Contact them today. So whether you're a fan of classic vanilla or daring enough to try something new, remember this: the best ice cream is not just about the flavor, it's about the quality of ingredients too. And that's why organic ice cream, made in the USA, is a sweet treat you can feel good about. Remember, life is like ice cream. Enjoy it before it melts. So why not make your next scoop an organic one? These companies are waiting to serve you